Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You've opened VN and loaded the project. Now import the new photo into Media so it's available. Once the image is imported, find the photo clip or placeholder on the timeline and tap to select it. Press Replace or long press the clip to reveal options. This immediately starts swap mode. Make sure the timeline playhead is positioned where you want the new image to appear, because VN applies the replacement to the selected clip's duration and position. You've initiated the replace action. Now pick the new photo and confirm. Once replaced, adjust the clip duration by dragging either edge or enter an exact time in clip settings to match beats. Use transform to crop, fit, or pinch zoom, and position the subject where you need it. If you want motion, set keyframes for scale or position at start and end. Make sure to preview the playhead across the change so transitions and framing feel natural. Once adjustments are done, scrub through the timeline and preview the full sequence. Render a short section to check quality and timing. Export using the project's resolution and codec, then save a backup of the project file or exported clip. If the replaced photo does not appear, stop and re-import the image, clear VN cache, or convert the file to JPG/PNG. This fixes most compatibility hiccups. Finally, make sure you saved the project before closing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.